It's the 9th of April, I think. Yeah, 9th of April. This tree is in full bloom. This one's getting ready. That one's getting ready. That's slower and really needed heavier pruning, but I'll get Beach to help with that over winter. Everyone's looking happy here. It's getting big. Need to identify this stock. If that's patient stock, I'll keep it. Everything here needs a lot of wood chips. This bit needs beating back down to ground. Hello, what's this? And yeah, wood chips in here, and top it up, fill out the gaps, because there are still many gaps. Maya has done sterling surface clearing under here. This is going to be our perennials bed eventually. Today we found out this was set up as 3 very small raised beds which have very nice soil in them. The soil around it was wood chips over black plastic, which is horrible at the moment, very compacted, so need to do that over. But the mounds which are left of the raised beds probably just need clearing. I've planted some garlic cress into those, just get more roots in the soil of stuff that we don't detest. More garlic cress in, planted in some Welsh onions, some sorrel, rocket. There's a lovage that I bought recently. Potatoes coming up nicely, as is garlic and all the cover crops. Hello, sweet wife. Wow, you are a hero. Yep, so there's a mix of rocket, sorrel and garlic cress along the borders here, with a couple of little patches of Welsh onions, which I'm hoping should bulk up into quite good patches. Oh, check that out. Planted in some blocks of lettuce today, as well as this line of Chinese cabbage. Block of flax, which is over. These were seedling flax that I'd started at home, and I've done them over where I'd sown more flax, so hopefully it should be quite a dense patch. But I think this will probably mostly be a seed project for this year. Not too much in the way of fibre yield. Put nasturtiums in here, so we've now got an alternating setup along the edges here of nasturtiums only on this end really, with sorrel and garlic cress as well. And there's a line of lettuce seedlings in there. So that's today's planting, and managed to find this manky old watering can at home, so we've now got a watering can down here, which is magical, and delicious old ice cream tub as a pot soaking device. So that's it. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Bye.